Hey, Gwen here with Intero Real Estate coming in with the home maintenance tip of the day. So the other day I get a call from a tenant on a property that I manage regarding her dryer. She was saying that it wasn't drying completely and it was overheating at times. So I had a technician come out and take a look, and it turns out it wasn't a dryer issue. It was an air duct issue. Air duct was all clogged up and backed up. So this is a picture of what the back of the dryer looks like. Now, if the back of your dryer looks like this, you should also get yours checked and cleaned, because all of that lint buildup there in the back, that's due to a dryer vent that's broken. Now, this is a picture of what they found after they removed the dryer vent and cleaned up the air duct. Nasty. Yes, that is years and years of lint buildup. And on top of that, all that lint buildup causes a long-term damage to the dryer, and your dryer will eventually break and give out. If that's not enough of a reason, that is a huge fire risk to your home. All that lint buildup needs is just a small little spark, and poof, you'll have a fire in your hands. So there you have it. Get your air ducts cleaned, preferably once a year. But if you're like me, you're not as consistent with it, just do your best. Now, this is a picture of what the back of your dryer should look like after it's been cleaned. There you go. That is my tip of the day. Gwen with Intero Real Estate. Stay healthy and make it a great day. Take care.